In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel or pause your World of Warcraft subscription. So first things first, open up a new browser tab. You can do this on both desktop and mobile. Go to the URL account.blizzard.com as you see here and just hit enter. It'll take you to this page here where you need to log into your battle.net account. So go ahead and do that now. Once you've logged into your account, you should be taken to the account overview page, and then you should see something here under subscriptions and game time. If it says active status here, that is an active subscription. So just click on the blue manage link right next to that. And then once you're here, you'll see three different options. You'll see the ability to change the plan, pause the next payment, or cancel the subscription altogether. If we go to cancel subscription, it will then try to tempt you to just pause it instead. But if you want, you just scroll on down, give a couple of reasons as to why you're canceling if you want, and then just hit the blue button that says continue to cancel. Follow the prompts and you are good to go. If, however, you just wanted to pause your next payment or your subscription for a month or two, then back at the Manage Subscription page, you would go to Pause Next Payment, like so, and then it says, how long do you want to pause for? And you can pause all the way up to 6 months. Just remember, if you do so, that after that 6th month into your 7th, it will begin to bill again. After you cancel, this is what happens. You can keep playing until your current paid time expires. After it does, the account converts to a starter edition and you will have many limits in game. All characters, progress, achievements, all of that are saved indefinitely, and when you resubscribe, you're good to go. In-game mail will stay for 30 days after expiration, but you have to claim any items before that. And in order to come back, log back into battle.net, go back to the games and subscriptions page that I took you to earlier, click subscribe, pick your plan of choice, and you are good to go. That's how you cancel or pause your WoW subscription. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.